Hey everybody, it's Tammy. I just wanted to do a flip through of my September design team project from for MadPaperCrush. So I was inspired by Yvonne Preston. She's on YouTube. I will put the link below. It was a really neat folio type project. So I've just done a simple binding. I have a little charm. It's a dream. Some beads. Oh, and the kit that I used two from MadPaperCrush. I used Letters from Verona and Letters from Verona add-on. Sure hope I'm in frame for this. MadPaperCrush. And if you use the there's a coupon code. It's my name, A Girl from the Bayou, and it gives you 10% off in her shop for anything, not just this kit. But this is a favorite of mine. I love all the images. You can do a lot with it, and I decided to do this little folio. So this is one of the images. Now Yvonne, on hers, I think she put a pocket on the front of this, but I decided not to. I just liked the image and I didn't want to cover it up. So it folds out. Got a pocket here. These are all in the kit. And this beautiful paper, all of this is in the kit. And I don't know which one. I made that into a little, she has some faux slides, images, and I just reduced the kit to a different size, added a little charm. Made a little pocket out of this image that's in the kit. This is all in the kit. Some tags, ready to go tags. Lots of great flowers. I've actually been to Verona. Back when my husband and I were able to travel more, we went to Verona. We did a trip. It was, you can probably still look it up. It's like 7 countries in 15 days. And it's called like the Heart or Circle of Europe. Even though we got to see a lot of places, it was very exhausting. I was pretty tired when we finally got home from the trip. And ready for another vacation. This little envelope is in the kit. Let's see, little tags. And like I said, I reduced some of them. So, because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do a small little book or what I wanted to do, but I just knew that I loved this kit. So, I would use this over and over. So I just did a little pocket here. These images are in the kit. I did just a little scrap pad here, just some recycling. You know, I like to recycle and put a little brad there. Just a little journaling spot on some tea dad paper. So it holds a lot. It's just an ephemera kit, and I mean a folio for ephemera. And I just think it's a wonderful design. Inside, there is a pocket here. I did some collage with some of the paper that was left, and put some lace and ribbons on the edge. Just some tea-dyed paper on the back. It slides right in here. I'll just go ahead and open this up. I put a little rose there, just on the string. Hopefully, good. I was afraid it was going to get all tangled up. I think Yvonne really heavily decorated these, but I just put a little collage with, she has these little stamped images in the kit. So, just kind of used this as a little collage. Oops, catching. So, some more images that are in the kit. And I'll be putting some more little things in here. This is from her tag, MadPaperCrush. I think it's a tag kit. I do love maps, and I wish that this was a PDF, and I probably just need to play with it, but I would love to blow this up more. I'm not sure it's Verona, but I can't say that it isn't. It's too small for me to see. So I just kind of put that image here. Gorgeous image. I mean, you could put frames around it, use it on a cover. It's just a gorgeous kit. And I'll wind that back up later. I'm trying to keep this not real time consuming. So I made a just an envelope out of one of the pages in the kit, and I did have a map of Italy, so I made a copy of that and put it in the little envelope. And this is some of she has some line paper, and she has some plain pink paper in the kit. It's just gorgeous. So very versatile. Just made that little envelope. I'll put that back in. And open it up. Have a trifold here. So again, this is just the same as the other side. Undo all of this, and I put a little collage here. Just hope I'm in frame. I made this little faux frame. I think I had that paper, but the images are so beautiful that you could easily put this frame on any of them. Just a little menu. She has a lot of reference to Romeo and Juliet. Of course, Verona is where the balcony, the famous balcony is, that's in Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. And of course we saw that while we're traveling. I just took some of the pages left and collaged this, a little folder, and just a little scrap pad of paper for collaging. And again, that just fits right here. You don't have to put anything, you know, behind here, but I just love this design. So in this middle section, this was a pocket that was included in one of the kits, and I made it, you know, I just used it. I think I cut it down to where it fit, made it where it would be just a little bit deeper, so I could put some things in it, just some more journaling paper, booklet. This one here, this envelope, is actually a pocket in the kit, but I just added a piece of paper and made it into a little like seed envelope type design. So this opens up, and I wanted a place for the recipient to write. So you have some writing space there, secret journaling space. These are in the kit, and I just made a top tuck. I made a belly band for this. This is just gorgeous paper, all the roses, and then I love this with the lace on it. And that's her image of the lace. So you don't have to have lace to be able to do this. And just kind of tucked in a few of the images in a doily. And so, like I said, I'll put the links below to Yvonne's folio. And I think she got the idea from somebody else, but I just love the design. So I'll put that back in. So this will be for sale in my Etsy shop soon. I'm going to add some more details to it, some little ephemera. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.